World War II was a world war in which about 6 million people perished. Many of these people who died are from China and Russia. If you start looking at the number of people that have died during the war, China has lost more than 30 million people. The USSR, which is Russia today, has lost 27 million people. The fact that China was still fighting with the Japanese, and the Japanese had to stay in China to ensure that they're going to win a war, which means it deterred Japan from creating a full-scale war against the United States and against Russia. One of the most significant things that have happened since World War II is the emergence of China as a global economic power. What we see today since World War II is the emergence of nations that are developing very fast under a globalized world, economic development that has never been seen before. China alone has lifted close to 1 billion people out of poverty.